Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then you can share my video. Remember when subscribe. We say be crema de pasticceria. What the 478 gram the latte and milk. Egu saucepan the sijaso. What the 120 gram heavy cream that's panna. What the vanilla bean and vanilla eden aka ho. No way just so amana esima. We are one of the best Italian cream. I'll bet him that you Custard. We are 180 gram the egg yolk. What the 180 gram the sugar that's zuccherro. 24 gram the Custard that's amido the mais. 21 gram the rice starch. Salt with the creme near the ebegum. One mixing in together. We are now the cinching. No wakohwe or milk mixture na esija aso no. Esima wie no wakohwe gu o mixture nim egg mixture no. Na wa mixing in together. We wie pe na wa sen hwe gu back to a saucepan no. We dey kwosija so aka ekositeme be creamy. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Make much than the kind I will share my video. Make my rain subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Send me the video be able to one sabeka. And to obey me use for your feeling. Oh ye be your shabet me the akaho. Anessa crustata. Are you ready? No akoshe guade. What about bakataso? Na the akoshe fridge. Me ye na me taste and it tastes really nice. Now this our crema de pasticceria. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.